Well, just getting up. Finna work out through the process that I'm taking to get my dealer's license. So that way I can go to the auction and buy cars and flip for a big profit. What's up, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever platform y'all on and y'all watching me. I want y'all right now to drop a like, because I'm putting my time and dedication into this. It's my first real vlog, but what I'm doing today is I'm about to try to get my auction, my dealer license, that way I can go to the auction in the state of Louisiana. So it's various things you gotta do. Get zoning verification on the building that you acquired. You have to have a building. 2, you have to have a surety bond. 3, you have to have insurance. 4, you have to have a 4x4 sign, a landline, which I was told you could use your cell phone. For the zoning permit, we in Lafayette Parish, so we was told we have to go to the Clifton Chenier Center. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but hopefully good. I hope good, you know. They be doing a little discriminating in Louisiana, but we gotta work against the odds and we gotta overcome them. So, man, if y'all watching this, don't do what I'm doing. Don't be playing on your phone and driving at the same time. It ain't safe. Oh, and look at that. Tire pressure low. But yeah, man, I'm about to go pick up Phil. We're gonna hit the Clifton Chenier building, try to get the zoning verification, and then we was told we could submit our application. The application is $400. It's a submission fee, but in the process of our application getting submitted, we could turn in everything kind of step by step. But I kind of want to have everything prepared, that way whenever I turn in everything, the director could just look over my paperwork, complete it, approve it, and push it through. My ultimate goal, I say, is to profit at least a light 50 by Christmas. I think I would do it. I'm a hustler. I can sell water to a well, man. I done picked up my bar, man. We on our way to the fucking zoning permit place, to the Clifton Chenier Center. About to pull up. Hopefully our building zone for car sales. So we're about to find out. All right, we went into the Clifton Chenier Center. That's not where you go for your zoning permit. You go to Lafayette City Hall, and then in City Hall you'll go to the planning division department. So fuck, we on our way that way now. Hopefully we ain't gotta go nowhere else. Man, it's hot. About to do this shit the right way. This is what your farm gonna look like. Hopefully we walk in, we zone for all the right shit, and we on to the next step. There you go. There you go. Oh shit, look at this. Remember what I was telling y'all about earlier? About us being from the South, they gotta beat the odds? This is what I'm talking about right here. See? Y'all might not understand this. Y'all might not understand that, but we do. We know what that means. But I'm out, because they might get on my ass for recording in here. Yep. We had to damn near go through a TSA to get in here. Like we in the damn courthouse. We got a visitor pass. Gotta go to the escalator. See your visitor pass? Where your visitor pass at? They put that on your shirt.
You know I'm a nigga. I'm gonna put that in my pocket or something.
Oh, she said they'll be right here. All that budget, man. All that Confederate ass shit, man. That shit is wild. Little slave house. Look at this shit. Little nigglets. Department of Community Development and Planning. So this way y'all want to come. Department, after y'all get on the escalator, come this way. To the Department of Community Development and Planning. Hello. How y'all doing this morning? Good. Came to get zoning verification?
Yes. Carol with it.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna tune out. I'm gonna get back with y'all afterwards. Lafayette, Louisiana, 70506.
He's fine.
We good?
Oh, yeah, you're in industrial life.
Industrial life.
Yeah, no problem there.
Yep. So we good, y'all. We in the door. Thank you so much, Miss Carol. You're the best.
I know, and this was an easy one. Well, good luck.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If we have any more questions, anything about zoning, we'll be back. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. See the paper?
You said don't first.
We zone, baby. Now we about to go where P?
Sure to bind.
Sure to bind. About to try to get the sure to bind before we shoot out to BR and submit these applications. Want to make sure everything in line, like I said earlier, so we can have a smooth running. So fuck. Tap out once again, and I'm gonna tap in when we win. Before we go, I just want to show y'all this shit. They still fighting for this Confederate shit down south. This is what I mean by we gotta go harder way. This shit just ain't here for nothing. Please believe, it's here for something. But we gonna make the best out of it. We ain't complaining. Ain't shit holding us back. Promise you that. Huh? Not a motherfucking thing holding us back.
Sure to bind.
Shirts, bound right across from the courthouse.
Used to come every day. You heard the guy just do this every day.
No more though. We ain't never coming back here no more. Like we were. See where we at. Look like a fucking dungeon. Oh, silly as fuck. Well, I guess we ran into a dead end. We over here at Trinity Graphics and Design. See a picture of the sign. I just want to show y'all. You know, just something quick that we whipped up. You know, cut the cost. We didn't have to pay no graphic designer, nothing crazy. Oh shit, they got everything in here. I got everything.
Hello.
I'm in love already. Hello, how y'all doing?
Good.
We need a sign made for our
Okay.
business with a quick turnaround.
We're about 2 weeks right now, man.
Even for something simple like just printed
How big?
4x4. We just need it for our auction license.
What kind of material?
Man, really?
You want metal or
Whoa.
just going outside or inside?
Outside.
Outside?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If we could get just something showing today that we got a business sign,
Okay.
and we want to get something kind of professional made also,
Okay.
that would be great.
All right.
Because we really just need a picture of a sign in our yard to bring to Baton Rouge showing that, you know, we have a sign in our yard for our auction, our dealer license.
Okay.
So that's the plan.
What all do you need on it?
And we have the template already.
All right. That's for sure.
All right, for sure. We over here at Trinity Graphics off Ambassador, man. Y'all come check them out. Great service, great everything. Came in.
Thank you for calling Trinity Graphics. This is
Thought we would have never been able to get it made today, but making it happen.
What
they are?
Yeah, the rabbit out.
Look what they. All right, y'all. So look, this is the quote on the first sign. These people lost their fucking mind for a 4x4 sign. Hell no. And this is the quote for cheaper sign that's made out of fucking paper. 346. No. Trinity. I thought it would have been good. Thought it would have been a go, but it's a no. I really don't know why we didn't come here first, but we in Office Depot. Yes, sir.
Sign.
I'm sorry.
A full.
4x4 sign.
A sign?
Yes, sir.
He's coming up for that, dude.
Yes, sir. I don't know why we didn't been come to Office Depot, but you know, it's kind of like the best option for now. Save every dollar when y'all doing this. Every dollar y'all can. You know the objective is to prosper in this shit and profit with this shit. You know, not lose. So we had Office Depot. Last company was bullshit. I thought they was A1, but they tried to tax us. They thought we was gullible. So we came where we know it's goo out there. Office Depot. Check how big this dude really is, man. This dude big as hell. Let me see. Hold on. Big Shaq, dude. What's down, big homie? Man, everything today was a success. We got everything handled. We got the surety bond. We paid a little bit over $350 for that. We got the insurance. The deposit for the insurance was around $1,100. We went to City Hall. We got the zoning permit for free. It was free. We didn't have to pay nothing. We ended up ordering our 4x4 sign off of Amazon. That should be in 2 days. What else? That was only $60. I went and get a business phone. So that was about $75. Yeah, about $75. $20 a month plan. Nothing major. And tomorrow when we submit our application, we have to pay a $400 fee. And that's it. After that, the process, we should receive our license probably in about, she said within the next 2 weeks, everything should be finalized. But tomorrow, I'll walk y'all through the rest of the process or whatever, show y'all how everything going. Like I said, I'm gonna be as transparent as I can through this whole process. Y'all finna watch a nigga run it all the way up.